My name is Anthony Angotti. I'm from New Jersey. I have a construction company called A&A Home Solutions. I heard about this class. I came out here. Before I came out, I did a little investigation about the epoxy and polyaspartic systems. And I was kind of worried about changing my construction or changing my way of doing business. So I decided to get up the courage and come to the class. I came to the class and I found a whole new world of options of making money, a whole new way of thinking about just business in general. I've gotten a lot of information from this class, from epoxy floors, resurfacing them, profiling them, finding out moisture in them, how much percentage mill thickness, and how to do art, put art on the floor, actually put art on panels for people to use as artwork in their homes, or how to stencil floors. We went through so much information. I honestly didn't believe I was gonna take to this class or retain the information. I can't get it out of my head, and I can't wait to go out and do my first job. This has been a very, very good experience for me. And if any of you have any doubts about this, I am not hired to do this. I am an actual student that learned a lot from being here at this class in Pompano, Florida. Again, the name of my company is A&A Home Solutions. We're out of New Jersey. It's 862-899-4478.